Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Polemy. Today we'll be doing an acrylic deer painting. For that I've got a canvas, some acrylic colors and brushes. And this is the first time I'm using Chalkola Acrylic colors. So let's see, I'll do a short review on it. And yes, I'm not sponsored by any company. So I'm starting with a violet mixed with white for the sky. Now using red mixed with white to get a pink color. And the transition would be very smooth. Now I'm using Indian yellow and blending it very well. So I do see the Chalkola paints do blend very nicely. Here I'm using cobalt blue mixed with white for the mountains, and the further we go, the lighter it becomes, and you'll see me using more deep colors in the foreground. For new viewers, if you like my channel, please subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for my future tutorials, and for my existing viewers, thank you so much for watching. For the mountains which are near, I'm directly using cobalt blue. So as I've mentioned, these Chalkola colors really blend very well. And what I like about these colors are the high pigmentation. So I would highly recommend these colors for kids, beginners, people who really love to paint, do projects for school level, for college level. These are great. But if you're looking for heavy body colors, these are not heavy body. Now for the foreground, I'm using pure black. Once the lower level is completely dry, after 15 to 20 minutes, I'm using a black color to paint my deer. using a very thin round brush, I'm painting some grasses with the same black color. Finally, completing the painting by drawing a sun with white. So that was the painting we just completed. Hope you like my painting and my review. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching. Till my next video, stay safe. Bye.